Welcome back to the channel. What does a luxury home look like in 2026? Is it simply a bigger house with expensive materials? Not anymore. Today's most impressive luxury homes are built around comfort, smart technology, timeless architecture, sustainability, and spaces that improve everyday life. In this video, we'll explore the newest luxury homes that are setting the standard for 2026. From breathtaking exteriors to spa-inspired bathrooms and intelligent home technology, these homes represent the future of modern living. Let's begin our luxury home tour. The exterior is the first thing people notice. In 2026, luxury homes are embracing clean architectural lines, oversized windows, natural stone, warm wood cladding, and sleek black metal accents. Instead of complicated designs, architects are creating homes that feel elegant through simplicity. Large glass walls blur the line between indoor and outdoor living, while minimalist landscaping with olive trees, ornamental grasses, and natural stone pathways completes the premium look. True luxury begins before you even step inside. Luxury living rooms in 2026 focus on comfort rather than excess. Neutral colors like cream, warm white, beige, and soft taupe dominate the space. Curved sofas, oversized sectionals, textured rugs, natural wood coffee tables, and sculptural lighting create an inviting atmosphere. Large windows flood the room with natural light, making every detail feel warm and welcoming. The goal isn't to impress visitors, it's to create a space you'll love spending time in every day. The kitchen remains the centerpiece of every luxury home. Today's high-end kitchens feature oversized islands with waterfall countertops, integrated appliances hidden behind custom cabinetry, soft under-cabinet lighting, and premium natural materials. Storage is thoughtfully designed to eliminate clutter, while open layouts allow family and guests to gather comfortably. These kitchens combine beauty with everyday functionality. Luxury bedrooms are becoming personal retreats. Layered bedding, upholstered headboards, soft ambient lighting, premium fabrics, and calming neutral colors create an atmosphere similar to a five-star resort. Instead of filling the room with furniture, designers leave plenty of open space, allowing each element to breathe. Comfort is now considered the ultimate luxury. Bathrooms have evolved into wellness spaces. Large walk-in showers, freestanding soaking tubs, floating vanities, heated floors, backlit mirrors, and premium fixtures transform daily routines into relaxing experiences. Natural stone, wood finishes, and indoor greenery create a calming environment inspired by luxury spas. Every detail is designed to reduce stress and promote relaxation. Outdoor spaces are becoming true extensions of the home. Luxury homes now include covered patios, outdoor kitchens, lounge seating, fireplaces, infinity pools, and beautifully landscaped gardens. Large sliding glass doors seamlessly connect interior living spaces with outdoor entertainment areas. Whether it's a quiet morning coffee or an evening gathering with friends, these outdoor spaces are designed for year-round enjoyment. Technology plays a major role in luxury living. Modern homes feature voice-controlled lighting, automated blinds, climate control, advanced security systems, smart kitchens, and energy-efficient appliances. Many luxury homes also include solar panels, battery storage, electric vehicle charging stations, and intelligent energy management systems. Luxury in 2026 means creating a home that's not only beautiful but also sustainable and effortless to live in. As you've seen, the new generation of luxury homes isn't defined by size or price alone. It's about timeless architecture, thoughtful design, smart technology, natural materials, and spaces that make everyday life more enjoyable. Which luxury feature impressed you the most? Was it the designer kitchen, spa-inspired bathroom, outdoor living area, or smart home technology? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more luxury home tours, modern architecture, and interior design inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Home. The future of luxury isn't bigger, it's smarter, warmer, and beautifully designed.